Welcome to Product Insights. We're here to show you how not only to install and connect your sensors and gateways to the cloud, but also advise from our experience how to get the most out of your setup. We'll cover both the Kappa X and Tau E sensors as part of this series, but firstly, we need to look at this. The gateway. Whether you're connecting Kappa or Tau sensors, the gateway is integral for providing the collected data to the cloud via Wi-Fi, cellular or Ethernet. Mounting your gateway is simple and robust with our openings in the four corners for screw fixings or using the available DIN rail bracket. Connection to Wi-Fi networks is intuitive through the Sensoteq OnSite app, but more on that later. Once the ideal position for the gateway has been identified, permanently fastened and connected, we can begin to mount the sensors, which we'll look at next time.